ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਹੱਥ ਡਾਊਨ ਕਰਾਂ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਪੈਰ ਤੇਰਾ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਛੱਡ ਲਾਉਂਦਾ ਤੇਰੀ ਜ਼ੁਲਫ ਤੇ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਵੀ ਆ ਕਾਲੇ ਕਾਲੇ ਨਾਮੇ ਕਾਲੇ ਰੰਗ ਦੀ ਬੱਕੀ ਦੀ ਪੈੜ ਨੱਪਦੇ ਆ ਮਾਮੇ ਕੌਣ ਫਾਜ਼ ਵਾਲੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੀ ਨਾਮੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਮੰਤਰੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਗੁੱਪਾ ਮਾਰ ਪਰਦੇ ਪਜਾਮੇ ਤੇ ਕਨੇਡਾ ਚਿੱਟੀ ਸ਼ਰਟ ਮੈਂ ਟੱਕ ਡਾਊਨ ਕਰਾਂ ਐਨ ਕਾਏ ਖਾਤੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਕੱਟ ਡਾਊਨ ਕਰਾਂ ਨਾਲੇ ਬਾਹੂ ਮੁੱਛਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਵੱਟ ਡਾਊਨ ਕਰਾਂ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਫਰਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਂ ਦੇ ਕਿ 15 ਦੇ ਫਿਰੇ ਡਸ ਵੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਡਾਂਗ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਡੰਗਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਫਿਰੇ ਕਰਾ ਕੱਲੇ ਕੱਲੇ ਹੱਟ ਨਾ ਟੈਕਸੀ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਦੀ ਮੜੀਰ ਹਰੇ ਨੰਬਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਫਿਰੇ ਕਿ ਲਾਉਂ ਨਾ ਹਵਾ ਚ ਪਾਸੇ ਹੱਟ ਨਾ ਕਰਾਂ ਪਨਾ ਪਸਰੀਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਸਾਫ ਡਾਊਨ ਕਰਾਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਰੱਖੀ ਲੋਗੇ ਕਾਂਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਲੱਤ ਡਾਊਨ ਕਰਾਂ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਪੈਰ ਮੇਰਾ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਸ਼ੱਟ ਡਾਊਨ ਕਰਾਂ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਮਾਰਦੇ ਆ ਵਾਜਾਂ ਕੋਰੇ ਗਾਲੀ ਉਹ ਟਰਾਟੋ ਜਦੋਂ ਵਾਪਰ ਡਾਊਨ ਕਰਾਂ
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਮਿੱਤਰੋ ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ welcome back to another video man we out here taking y'all along with us on a little short drive back to the car from San Francisco Bay Area ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਆ ਆਪਾਂ full enjoyment ਆ bro good weather out here ਗਰਮੀ ਸਾਲੀ ਇੰਨੀ ਹੋਈ ਆ but you know as always in San Francisco ਥੋੜੀ ਘੱਟ ਹੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਆ ਗਰਮੀ so you know enjoying the cool weather ਕਿਉਂਕਿ by the time we get home brother ਸਾਲੀ ਮੌਤ ਪਈ ਹੋਣੀ ਆ Gonna take y'all through Fish Ranch Road today. My Bay Area peoples know where that is. So we have a nice little drive with some good views, man. Look at those beautiful views, man. ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ Grizzly Peak. Beautiful Bay Area views out here. Burbles, man. Them burbles sound good. I wouldn't understand like going crazier with the burbles. I think the amount there are right now are just perfect. I don't know if they're like enhanced with like downpipes, but I wouldn't want them to be any more than they are right now, personally. Feel like they're perfect, especially in the lower RPMs. And although I would love a flame tune, I just hate the pops it makes, bro. It just sounds like gunshots. It sounds ratchet. You know, I love the fact that it makes flames, but like the G80s, honestly, they don't like sustain the flames. As far as all the tunes I've seen, they don't sustain flames as long. So like I don't know if I would like even do a flame tune. I like it when the flames are kind of lasting a little bit longer, you feel me? The G80 kind of pops, quick flame, and then done with. So I wouldn't want to do that personally. Can y'all guess how much these houses are worth? I bet y'all can't. But they expensive as hell. Small as hell and old as hell, but expensive as hell. Honestly though, it would be a dream to live here. If you could find a nicely renovated property, it would be cool, man. Okay, we made it to location 1. Only real Bay Area natives know about this viewpoint right here. हाय 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 क्या नज़ारे ने Wow, is Sajjana. What a beauty. Anji, Bashara kam ke nahi? King on top of the hill type shit. Overlooking his kingdom. But low key though, if I follow this bitch, brother, is bad. I think about this quite often when I'm looking at a view or something, right? But like, you got all this infrastructure, you got the buildings, you got the bridge. Bro, less than 1,000 years ago, none of this existed. It was all just nature. So that water wouldn't have a bridge. And I be thinking back to the times like how people used to get around when they got nothing. They probably had a horse or two, but that was it, bro. That was the only means of transportation, and people had to walk this shit. It's kind of crazy. Like, if you had to get to the city, bro, from the town, you had to go all the way around, bro. Kind of crazy to think about. All right, let's get on, man. Throw this in M mode so we can see where the hell we going, what revs we are in. For my Bay Area people, man, y'all know any other local roads close by that, you know, are canyon-like in nature, but have a little better roads, good twists, turns, not too busy, but you know, good roads? Because I think that's the hardest thing to find out here. I know there's a couple, but they're kind of scattered, not easy to find. So if y'all have suggestions, let me know. Places that you would like me to drive, check out. I am planning on going to Alice's soon. I heard that road is beautiful and very famous for you know, a nice drivable road. So we'll do that soon too. Maybe we'll do that one with the gang. We definitely gotta change the setup up soon, man, because the phone is so heavy. It has good quality. Even at night, the stabilization isn't that great, so it looks very blurry and grainy. But during the day, the quality is really good. It's just that it's super heavy, so it shakes a lot, especially with the head mount. So I need a new setup, man. I need like an action camera for sure. You know, it would just get better range, you know, and more stability and stuff like that. It's lighter, so it'd be easier to just mount. So I think that's the next investment for sure. Before we even do any mods to the car, we gotta invest in a better setup. We have gotten back off where we came from originally. Fun little drive, nothing crazy, of course. Maybe we'll revisit it when on a weekend in the morning. Might be a lot better then. Alright, y'all, I think that's gonna be it for the video. You can see what the head mount did, bro. Stamping into my head, man. That shit is too heavy. We gotta fix that soon. But thank y'all for tuning in. As always, hope y'all have fun with this one. Nice little quick short drive. Was a little busy. It's good, bro. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Make sure y'all like, make sure y'all comment, and please subscribe. Help support the channel. Appreciate y'all, gang. I'll see you on the next one.